Alright, this is my finger, and this is a needle. In this video, you're gonna see it go through the skin, under a microscope. When you look closer, you can actually see all the little lines on the skin. I'm just moving the needle around, nothing crazy yet, it looks pretty calm here. Now I'm pressing down a bit. You can see the skin start to push in. It moves, but still holds up. And here's where it goes in right through the skin. You can see the hole open up. That's the mark it leaves. Kinda intense when you're this close. And now zoomed out, barely even noticeable. But yeah, that just happened. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see under the microscope. I'll make it happen.